Chinese tech giant Xiaomi has recently unveiled the latest addition to its innovative lineup of smart home devices, the MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S, which was introduced just a few months ago in April. This upgraded model takes clothes drying and disinfecting to a whole new level. The MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version boasts an array of new features and functions that further enhance its capabilities. With these advancements, Xiaomi aims to provide users with the ultimate all-in-one solution for their clothes drying and disinfection needs. One of the key highlights of the new version is its multifunctionality. In addition to efficiently drying clothes, the dryer now incorporates an advanced disinfection system. This feature utilizes cutting-edge technology to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and other harmful microorganisms present on garments. By incorporating disinfection capabilities, Xiaomi aims to offer users an added layer of cleanliness and hygiene for their clothes. The MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version brings another exciting feature to the table: 2 distinct blowing modes. Xiaomi understands that weather conditions can greatly affect the drying process, and with this new functionality, users have the flexibility to choose between cold air and hot air, depending on their needs. During warmer seasons, when the ambient temperature is already high, the cold air blowing mode proves to be beneficial. It provides a gentle and refreshing airflow that efficiently removes moisture from the clothes without subjecting them to excessive heat. This mode not only accelerates the drying process, but also helps to preserve the fabric quality, preventing potential damage that can occur due to high temperatures. On the other hand, during colder months when the temperature drops, the hot air blowing mode becomes invaluable. By generating warm air, the dryer ensures that clothes are thoroughly dried even in chilly environments. The hot air not only eliminates moisture effectively, but also provides a comforting warmth to the garments, which can be especially beneficial for individuals living in colder regions. One of the standout features of the MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version is its ability to disinfect intimate clothing items, such as underwear and socks. This is made possible through the inclusion of ultraviolet Uvc Germicidal Lamps within the dryer. These lamps emit UV light that effectively eliminates bacteria during the drying process, providing an additional layer of cleanliness and hygiene. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who prioritize the sanitization of their intimate garments, offering them peace of mind. The dryer's appearance is sleek and ultra-thin, making it a space-saving solution for any household. It offers 2 installation options: embedded or hoisted, catering to different user preferences and space constraints. When folded, it measures a mere 9.9 centimeters in height, ensuring easy storage when not in use. This compact appearance allows the dryer to seamlessly blend into any living space without causing unnecessary clutter. The MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version is specifically developed to meet the needs of larger families. It boasts ample capacity with its 38 independent windproof air outlets, 32 mother and baby clips, 4 retractable drying rods, and 2 multifunctional drying baskets. These features combined enable the dryer to effortlessly accommodate up to 35 kilograms of laundry, making it suitable for households with heavy laundry loads or multiple family members. The MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version is currently available for crowdfunding on Xiaomi Mall, one of China's leading e-commerce platforms. Xiaomi has chosen this crowdfunding approach to engage with its loyal customer base and offer them an exclusive opportunity to be among the first to own this innovative smart appliance. During the crowdfunding campaign, interested individuals have the chance to purchase the MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version at a special crowdfunding price of 11.99 yuan, which is equivalent to approximately $167. This discounted price serves as an incentive for early adopters and enthusiasts to support the project and contribute to its successful launch. So, the MIJIA Smart Clothes Dryer 1S multifunction version stands out with its ability to disinfect intimate clothing items, its sleek and space-saving appearance, ample capacity for larger families, and seamless integration into Xiaomi's smart ecosystem. With these features, the dryer provides a comprehensive solution for drying and disinfecting clothes, while offering convenience, flexibility, and peace of mind to hygiene-conscious individuals and households. What do you think about the new device from Xiaomi? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.